Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video, we will discuss or we will implement one particular widget of our Flutter, that is a list style view. To achieve this UI, Flutter has given one widget called list style. Yes, with the help of list style, we can exactly achieve this kind of UI. That might take some time to implement the exact style and color and all, but this is the widget that can give you that privilege to accomplish this kind of UI or user interface. So let's start coding. Before that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I upload my videos without delay. So let's get into action. As you can see on the right hand side, we have welcome back to LimaTech assets folder here, and LimaTech image is available here. You can see I'm going to add that image into my popspec.yml file to use that in our list style view. Let me uncomment this section to use images. If you haven't used any image widgets in your Flutter projects, then this is the way you can use the local images in your application. So our folder name is assets and the name of the image is limatech.png. You have to save it, and if it run properly, then you don't need to do anything. If it is not running properly, then you might need to run the flutter command like flutter space pop space get. It will just save your image, or if it will save your changes in popspec.yml file. Now it ran successfully without any code. If it is 0, then it ran successfully. Let me go to this section again. Instead of writing before writing anything, just give some space to this container, like I'll be giving some width to double dot infinity, so it will take all the width available here, and height will be some 150 pixel. In this child, let's implement or let's get the list style widget. Inside list style, we have so many properties, like you can see if you press Ctrl and space, we can see so many options. Out of these options, we will be focusing on 4 options, like one is the leading, one is the title, subtitle and trailing. For the first time, we are going to use leading. Inside this leading, I'll have image widgets wrapped up with the help of container widget. Again, create another child and create an image widget. Yeah, this is the image widget. This image widget will accept either a network image or a asset image. Asset image is nothing but your local image. So I'm going to have a asset image. This asset image will accept a source, like source means what we have already declared in our popspec.yml file. Copy this path and paste it here. Now format the code with the help of adding comma to closing braces and press Alt Shift F so that it will format your code properly. Formatted codes are very much, it's a good looking and it will help you to find out the widgets properly. Okay, let me save this much and see the result. I have pressed Ctrl and space and you can see there is a image appear, LimaTech. So this title, so this leading widget is working fine. Let's add few more properties. Title. In this title, it is going to have our text value, the channel name. So channel name is LimaTech, and format this one as also. And before that LimaTech channel name, we will have another value, that is subscribe, like you can see on this image. Subscribe with number of subscriber count. For now I'm just writing my subscriber count 360, and it will increase with your love and support if you subscribe to my channel. Let's add another widget. Let's save this one. There is some error. Okay, I have to add some curly braces at the end of that widget, and Before that, I'll add a comma after the value. Now save it. You can see LimaTech and subscribed 316. At the last, after this LimaTech subscribe button, at the on the right hand side, we need to have two fields or two values. Like one is subscribed button and another is bell icon. For that, what we can use is one, there is an option called trailing. Trailing is nothing but at the end of your widget. Trailing, we will have two widgets. In order to have two widgets in a line wise, the best one will be to have a row, and that row will wrap using the help of container. Container is actually useful to size your box or size your widgets to meet the alignment of your applications. So let's create a widget, sorry, not this one, row widget, and it will accept children's and give some height to, or width to your container widget. I'm just going to give some width of 150. Let's save and try what will be the result. So I'm going to have a subscribed button of type widget text button. Text button is a more better way to have your buttons with some kind of label. You don't need to write so many columns and one button, one label. You can directly achieve this one with the help of text button. So here I'm going to have subscribed. I think it will be in capital. Subscribed. Give comma after each and save it. You can see there's a subscribe button. This subscribe button color is changed because it takes the primary color of your app, and this is my primary color, background of the home page written. Now let me go and add an icon button. Icon button. This will also accept one callback function or call action property, and another is icon. Icon constructor is there or icons is there, and let's see a bell icon. Bell icon is, the name of the bell icon is, I think it's sound. Let's type bell. Scroll down little bit. I don't see any bell icon here. Let me scroll down. You can see on the left hand side the value of the icons are changing, right? Once I scroll down with the help of keyboard, not this one. So no, this is not the icon we are looking for. Sound. I'm not finding that icon actually. I think I have never used that icon, so I don't remember the name. But as of now, we will use any icons you can see here. This one will be better as of now, and we are going to use this icon for demo purpose. You can Google out the icon name and you can use it later. See, you can see there is an icon button available after the subscribe button. Just give some space to this icon or to this value we have. So I have given 150 width. If I just decrease the width to 120, it went to the right, but there is some error, overlay error. 135, 40, 45. Yes, you can do this hit and trial method until unless you achieve your style widget properly. Yeah, 150 is the correct width to maintain the space between those widgets. So this is how we can use the list style to achieve this one. Like LimaTech is there and the subscribed number count is there and subscribed button is there. If I want to change the button color, what I can do is I can go inside the text widget and change the color of the value text style color colors dot gray. Now you can see the result or the output as similar to our YouTube channel description with the image and the subscribe button count. This the widget list tile is responsible for achieving this kind of UI, and I hope you have enjoyed this small tutorial of the list style widget. And if you want to know more about the widgets of Flutter, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you are finding any problem using any widgets of Flutter, then you can comment me in the comment section below. I'll create a separate video for that particular widget and you can get to work on that widget yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.